y'all? What's up? What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jada Owens. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you can know when I post. So, as you can tell by that title, I am doing my nails. I'm doing my nails. It's been long awaited for me to get my nails did. So, since quarantine is happening, all the nail salons, you know, are shut down. So, I can't get my nails did. We're gonna do them inside. And I have this little kit that I've been using for when I want to be cheap. It was only like $40 and it lasts you for a long time. Because I done had this for months. All you really need is like a file. You don't really need like a fire drill. Stupid. You don't really need a real drill like the professionals, but I just bought it to sum up the time. I didn't want to take time out and just file with the nail file, but you can use a nail file, and all you need is the kit. Only $40, you know what I'm saying? It's not that high, especially when you're looking like me. This is terrible. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So basically what you'll need is a LED light for nails. But you'll just need this, and they come, you can get like a small one for like $8, I think. But I just wanted to get the big one so I could stick both hands in, and I think this was like $20. And then again, you don't need the drill. You can use like the nail files to file it. It will file completely the same, you know what I'm saying? So you don't technically need this. I just want to use it because I'm very impatient and my attention span is like a 2-year-old. And to prep my nails, I'm gonna use a cuticle tool to push back my cuticles, and then I'm going to clean up around the edges, and then I'm going to file my nails so I can clean them up a little bit. So right now I'm pushing back my cuticles with the cuticle pusher, and then I'm going to clean it up with the cuticle remover tool. And by the way, I'm in no shape or form a professional, so yeah, I just be doing what I do. And right now, as you can see, I'm picking up the cuticle remover so that I can get off all the dead skin and just clean up around the edges and make it look nice and neat. Okay, so I've pushed back and cut my cuticles on this hand, and then I'm going to do the other side. This also helps from your nails lifting and not lasting a long time. So if you find your nails lifting early, it's probably because you didn't prep. So now we're ready to file. You can use your nail file to just get it very raggedy on the nail, but I'm going to use my nail drill to speed up the process. And in case you want to buy the nail drill that I got, I use the Jefferbell. I just bought it off Amazon, but it gets the job done for me, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm just gonna file my nails and get them raggedy, and I'll be right back. Because it will weaken the nails, so I would advise using like a medium speed instead of going really high. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm just gonna make it look kind of rough and get off all the excess that I had on my nails from my previous nails. So yeah. So this is how it looks when I get them raggedy, and my nails are already filed. I filed it before recording. I'm just gonna do this here on camera so that I can just show you the gist of how I put them on. So yeah, so now I'm about to wash my hands and come back to you. This is what the kit looks like, and it's by Modlones. I don't know how you're supposed to pronounce that. Modlones.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Inside the box, it comes with a variety of colors that you can choose from. And I really like the, what color is it? I really like the soft pink. No, I lied. I really like the pearl pink. And it's all gone. Like, it's all gone. But that's my favorite color. I don't know what color I want to choose today. It also comes with dual forms to press the gel into place. It comes with a base coat and a top coat. And it also comes with a tool to spread onto the dual form. And this kit did not come with the slip solution, so I had to make my own slip solution. All the kits are the same. It's just different prices and different things that comes in it. I'll link this box in the description box. So if you want to buy this box, you can just use alcohol as the slip solution, and it's been working well with me. At first, I was like, they didn't give me my slip solution, but I looked on the Amazon website and it said it does not come with slip solution. You also can use fingernail polish remover for slip solution. So yeah, you can have this or alcohol to use as a slip solution. We're gonna pick out our dual forms. When you pick your dual forms, you'll rather them be too big than too small. So like for this nail, I got a size 6 and it fits perfectly. And some may be missing on the side. Some may be missing on the side, but it'll fit and it squishes it down onto the nail. So you'll rather it be too big than too small, because too small it won't stick and you'll have lifting. What color should I pick? This is the deep nude. The colors are deep nude, soft pink, apricot, white, pink, pearl pink, and clear. I'm thinking I want to do soft pink. I'm gonna pick out my dual forms and I'll be right back. So I have my dual forms picked out, and now I'm gonna show you how to spread the product onto the dual form. So what you want to do is take your tool, your spreading tool. And the thing about polygel, it works with you. Acrylic, if you put that thing on one time, it's stuck and it's stuck there. But with this, you can work with it, work your way into it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna spread a little bit on there, about that much. And then I'm just gonna smooth it in. And you also don't want to have too much, because then you'll have some spill out on the side and you don't want that. So like you can take some off like that. Take it off, girl. So yeah, just take it off like that. And then just smooth it back in. And so now you just want to place it on the finger and make sure it's even. Place it on the finger like that, and you're gonna have some spill out on the side. That's okay. You're just gonna take your brush again and clean up the excess. There's also lines on there so you can know which length to do like that. And then you want to also smooth underneath so that you won't have to file too much. So you're just gonna smooth underneath. So now we're gonna stick the nail in the light for about 30 seconds, and you want to move all these away from the light because you won't have no more polygel. So we're just gonna stick your finger inside for 30 seconds. I'm gonna do 30 more seconds because that was a little too quick. So now I took it out and I'm just gonna pop it off at the end when I finish all of them. I'm gonna show you one more finger just so you can get the gist of it, and I'm gonna finish the rest off camera. So again, you want to put a little bit in there. You don't want to put too much, and then you're just gonna smooth it around into the dual form. And again, you just want to press it on. You want to be gentle and get the spilling off the sides, or just smooth it in. And then we're going to clean the inside of the nail to smooth that in too. And after I'm done trying to be a perfectionist, I go ahead and put my nail inside the LED light. That's how you put the polygel on. I'll get back with you when I am done with this whole hand. So my nails are done. I'm about to pop the dual forms off and let y'all see how they look fresh out. And then we're gonna clean them up with the file and then the drill. But you can just use file if you don't have the drill. And you just wiggle it at the top, at this clear part. You just wanna wiggle it just like that, and it comes right off. Look at that. And you just wanna wiggle it the same way. and it comes right off. Well, these are the nails fresh out. They're so smooth. So now I'm about to clean them up with the drill. So I got me a fresh file, and you can just file it down, smooth out the edges, and then like the bumps in the inside, I'm gonna just get that out with the drill. And it's so easy to file, y'all. Like, it's so easy to file. I'm just cleaning up around the edges right now, and then I'll go in and clip the top. Okay, and the pieces that I couldn't clean up with my file, I'm just gonna clean it up with my drill. So now that I have my nails washed and cleaned all around the edges, I'm just gonna put a top coat on them. And the top coat is clear. Like, I have colors. I have gel colors to put on them if I wanted to, but I don't think I want a color. I just like this color. Like, it looks so cute. It's a pretty color. So this is what they're looking like without the top coat on them and without oil on my cuticles, because they looking rough right now. But yeah, I'm gonna put the polish on. I'm gonna leave it this color because I don't feel like picking out another color. And I really like this color. It's like a pearl pink. You really can't see the pink, but it's pink. So yeah, I'm just gonna put the top coat on and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. I put some coconut oil on my cuticles to make them not look, you know, ashy. So yeah, I put some on there and I love this. This is a good way to save money and live better Walmart. Okay. Get your nails did while you're in quarantine, you know what I'm saying? This is cute. Like, can y'all get into it? Like, this looks so good. But yeah, that's the final product. Nails by Jada. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you can know when I post. And let me know some videos y'all would like to see in the comments down below. And yeah, I got some more videos to come, so be on the lookout for that. But yeah, see you in the next one.